All right, so let's talk about Solana here. We're still maintaining that ascending triangle kind of thing right now. So if we were to talk about an entry for Solana here, then you might be looking for 3.74% loss to the downside. And if anything works on your favor, then you're looking for a nice 60% move to the upside as well. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame here. And I highly do reckon that you're looking amazing, amazing for Solana right now. That would be amazing entry, by the way. We're just right on the support here, and that can be a stop loss down here for 3.84%. You might get lucky because this is bouncing off the ascending triangle support right now. So that's actually pretty good. Based on what I'm looking for on the charts right now. So if you do actually make that amazing pull to the upside, that would be amazing. I just hope that in the next coming few days, because you've already made this retracement to the downside and potentially just come up, go down, come up, go down like this, move sideways, break it out, and then you start to move to the upside once again. The technical target of Solana is going to be up here nearly $62, and that's going to be an amazing, amazing price appreciation of nearly 45% move to the upside. And if be careful, if you do actually start to come down, lose this level, backtest and fail, then there's a good chance that you're looking to roll down to $28.5. But something tells me, the way we've spoken about dominance on Bitcoin update, that means that you might be lucky enough to see Solana move back up, and probably because of that, one wick to the downside, and then you have an inverted hammer. So it could be possible that you actually do go back up to this level, $41.37, and then you make that bullish ladder bottom from there, and then you start to actually move to the upside once again. And that's it for today's Solana video update. I'm going to see you with this one. Let's talk about the next one. It's going to be the lever.